In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Etsy templates so you can sell them as a digital download. I'm going to show you how you can share your templates, and I'll also show you how you can prepare them for your customers. So if you appreciate a step-by-step tutorial, then please do leave a like. So what you first need to do is go to your template. For this video, I'm using this just weekly planner as an example, but you can use any template really. There's loads of templates you can sell. You obviously have one in mind. Then you need to go ahead and access that template. So I've just gone to my recent designs down here and then clicked on it. Then what you can do is you can go to share in the top right hand corner, and you then need to find template link. If you can't find this, just go to more and then just type in here template and you'll see template link. So go ahead and click on that, and it will then give you this option to create a template link. So click create template link. Then it's going to give you this link that you can then copy. Now what I suggest you do is open up a notepad file and paste it in, because we're not quite done yet. So paste in your link where you can just get access to it again. Now we need to build the file that we can share with our customers, because they're going to have to download a file, right? So we need to give them a product. So what we need to do now, we need to go to Canva and we need to create a new design. So go to create design, and I'm just going to create a document here. Now we're creating the document that they're going to get given, where we can then link to our product. So I'll show you what I mean here. So I'm going to say here, thank you for your order. And what I'm going to do is just make this centered and make this look nice. Now you can make this as simple or as complex as you want. Thank you for your order. Then I'm going to put, here is the link to your template. Then we can go ahead and go back to the notepad file, select all of this link and copy it, and then you can paste in that link into this document. So it's going to then add this document to your thank you page. Now, if you don't want it to look like this, then what I recommend you do is go to edit link and just put here link, and then that's going to just show the actual link and not the actual template. Again, you can customize this however you want, but it needs to just say thank you and then link to the product. So now you've got your thank you page edited. Now what you want to do is go to share. You want to go to download as a PDF A4, click download, and then this file here that's downloaded, this is what you would upload to Etsy, or this is what you would upload to your store. So when people buy your product, they're going to then get this thank you page. So when they buy it, they're going to then open this page here, which is going to open in a PDF format. Here's the link to your template. They'll then be able to click on the link, and they're going to be able to start editing this design if they click on edit template. So that's how you can share your custom templates and how you can essentially sell them. I hope that video did help you out. If you've got any questions, put them in the comment section below.